So first thing you need to do is to unlock the bottom clip. The bottom clip needs to be unlocked with a small thin blade type of a tool. Once you slide this little blade between the clip and the wiper assembly, you have to leave it in there. Don't remove it. That will keep the clip from locking into the assembly again, and it'll make it so that the assembly will slide out. Next, the top clip has to be raised up. I found that this can be done easiest with a paint can tool with the claw part of the tool, especially if the claw is slightly thinner than the larger, thick claw. It can easily get under the top clip, and it gives you good leverage to lift it without lifting it too high. And once you lift that clip, all you need to do is pull the assembly straight out and it's out to 2 millimeters. Hold it up and then get the wiper assembly and just pull it out, making sure that you have the two wiring plugs already disconnected. Just gently pull it out and it'll come out fairly easily. Now, to reinstall the other wiper assembly, it's much simpler. You just gently align the replacement wiper assembly to the steering column. There are tabs that have to line up, so be careful, don't force it in. Just kind of move it back and forth a little. It'll self-align, and then just push it into the steering column and you'll hear it lock in. And it'll bottom out, and you're basically done with the installation. Just reattach the two bottom wiring harness clips and then test it, and that should be the end of that. You might notice that the assembly was already removed once and it had not been bottomed out in the steering column, and that's because I was working with one hand holding the phone with the other hand. So it's much easier to do than I make it look if you have two hands. So that's why it looks like I'm fumbling with it.